Imagine a mind centuries ahead, envisioning our digital world. This brilliant individual saw the future of computing before computers even existed. Imagine a mind centuries ahead, envisioning our digital world. This brilliant individual saw the future of computing before computers even existed. Today, we explore Ada Lovelace, Lord Byron's remarkable daughter. Born in 1815, Ada possessed an extraordinary analytical mind. Her mother, Lady Byron, fostered her rigorous mathematics education. This was highly unusual for women in Victorian England. Ada's intellect was boundless, seeking patterns in everything. She possessed a unique blend of scientific rigor and poetic imagination. Her journey began with meeting inventor Charles Babbage in 1833. Babbage conceived the Analytical engine, a mechanical general-purpose computer. Ada immediately grasped its profound, far-reaching implications.
She translated an article about the engine from French into English.
But Ada did more. She added extensive, insightful notes. These notes were 3 times longer than the original text. Within these notes lies the first known computer program. It was an algorithm to compute Bernoulli numbers. Her true innovation, however, extended beyond mere calculation. Ada saw the engine manipulating symbols, not just numbers. She envisioned it composing music or generating complex graphics. This was a radical departure from Babbage's more limited view. She called the analytical engine a fabric of the universe. Ada understood the machine's potential as a creative instrument. She termed herself an analyst and metaphysician. Her vision laid conceptual groundwork for modern software. Fast forward to today, how would Ada innovate now? She would likely be a leading figure in artificial intelligence research. Ada might pioneer new neural network architectures. Her poetic insight would fuel advancements in creative AI. Perhaps she would design algorithms for generative art or music. She would foresee ethical dilemmas in advanced AI systems.
Ada would undoubtedly explore quantum computing's philosophical depths.
Her collaborative spirit would foster open-source innovation.
She would champion women in STEM, inspiring future generations.
Lovelace's legacy proves visionaries transcend their own eras. Her unique blend of logic and imagination remains vital. She reminds us that innovation requires deep theoretical insight. Ada's foresight continues to shape our digital landscape. Her spirit of inquiry truly propelled humanity forward. We stand on the shoulders of giants like Ada Lovelace. Her work still influences how we approach computing challenges. Consider the power of imagining what doesn't yet exist. Ada Lovelace taught us to see machines as creative partners. This perspective changed the world forever. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.